Welcome back to Master Intuitive Think, the channel where we discuss the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're going to be talking about the 5 biggest technology trends of 2023. Let's get started! The first trend we're going to talk about is the Metaverse. This is a more immersive digital world that's going to revolutionize the internet as we know it. It's going to be both mobile and post-mobile, meaning we'll still interface with it from wherever we are in the world and on whatever devices we like. The Metaverse is going to be built around immersion and 3D content, and it's going to change the way we interact with content forever. The second trend we're going to talk about is the digitally editable world. We're going to have the ability to digitally recreate anything in the physical world, including living organisms like plants, animals, and even humans. This technology is going to change the way we live our lives, and the possibilities are almost unlimited. The third trend is blockchain technology, which is going to change the way we establish trust online. Traditionally, we've relied on centralized systems like banks and payment verification services to verify our identities and act as guarantors when we send money to friends or family. Blockchain technology is going to allow us to remove ultimate control of an organization or company from any one central point of ownership, using decentralized networking built around consensus and encryption. The fourth trend we're going to talk about is quantum computing. This is a technology that's going to change the way we process information, and it's going to enable us to solve problems that are currently impossible with traditional computing methods. Quantum computing is going to change the way we approach things like data analysis, encryption, and machine learning. The fifth and final trend we're going to talk about is augmented reality. This is a technology that's going to change the way we see and interact with the world around us. Augmented reality is going to enable us to overlay digital information on top of the real world, and it's going to revolutionize the way we do everything from shopping to education. And that's it for today's video on the 5 biggest technology trends of 2023. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest in technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.